This video explains how to use the microwave at the Laurels. So this is a 700 watt microwave, and there are dials on the right hand side. You have high, medium, and defrost, medium, low and low. And then you have your timer. So it goes 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So to operate this, just open here, put your food in, and then select the setting that you wish to use. The timer here, you just turn, that will start. So this is about just short of 1.5 minutes. The microwave is going. If you find that you wish to stop it sooner, just turn this to 0, it will ping, and you can open the door. Please ensure that you clean the inside of any food splatters. And that's how to use the microwave. Thank you.